Hello students, I am Aniket Kalsh. Welcome back. So today we will revise these all chapters which are coming in our revision assessment, right? So I will tell you how to prepare for any exam, right? Not only this exam, how to prepare for any exam, right? First of all are this syllabus of this exam? Session 2 to session 7, right? This is the syllabus for our revision assessment. Unit 2 web application, session 2 session 7, right? Now let us see. So in session 2 networking fundamentals, what all things you can see? First of all, what is networking? You have to read like what is networking. Okay, two or more computers are connected, then it forms a network. Okay, so what are the types of network? What is the architecture of the network? Peer to peer, what is peer to peer network? है ना? So what all things you have to do? You have to remember the things point to point. What is peer to peer? If you are reading the chapter, first of all, what you have to do, you have to read the chapter thoroughly, right? And point out the keywords. Point out the keywords. The keywords are those words which is very necessary to understand, without which it will be difficult for you to understand the chapters. Okay. So what is computer network? So what is network? This is very important. What is network? Then what do you mean by the peer to peer? In architecture, one is peer to peer and another is client server architecture, right? So in what happens in peer to peer architecture and what happens in client server architecture, right? What happens in client server architecture? In client server we have one server and which is able to capable of serving its client. What are clients? What are nodes, right? What are the types of networks? What are LAN, MAN, WAN, right? Internet comes under WAN. What is internet? What is intranet? What is, if you are reading intranet, suppose you are reading internet, one term is intranet also. In your search for that in internet, right? In Google, intranet, intra. And what is extra? Last year you have seen this, right? Extranet, internet, intranet and extranet, right? You should understand all these terminologies, right? Now next, in this way, World Wide Web. What is World Wide Web? World Wide Web क्या होता है? All number of websites are there, and in which number of web pages are there. Each and every website is consist of various web pages. All these web pages are interrelated with each other and are stored somewhere. That is known as the World Wide Web. It is a library, right? Getting? Now what are the advantages of internet? Sorry, networking. So data sharing. What all things you have to remember is, you have to remember data sharing is one important advantage, and the content you have to write, don't see this only once, right? And if you want to create a notes, you make notes of this. So what you have to do after writing data share, one advantage is data sharing, and after that audio video files like this, in short, you can make, right? And second point is hardware sharing. Printer scanner can be shared. And internet access sharing, using the internet we can share information. In the short, you can create such notes. And don't, once if you are reading all this, then in second time you are not supposed to read each and everything. By the term itself you will be able to answer, right? What all things will be the content of this. Getting? Like this. Now, getting access to internet. What are ISPs? Internet service providers. This Airtel, BSNL are those who provide internet services, are the ISPs, right? Now, what are the digital subscribers limited? All these things means these are the keywords to which by the term you should be able to understand what is it, what exactly is it, right? What is modem? Modulation, its function is modulation, demodulation, analog signals to digital and digital analog, right? So टाइप्स ऑफ कॉमन इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी. इंटरनेट आप कनेक्ट करते हैं अपने सिस्टम में, तो क्या क्या टेक्नोलॉजी है उसके लिए, क्या क्या मेथड्स हैं उसके लिए? डायल अप, DSL, केबल इंटरनेट एक्सेस, 3G, वाईफाई, ऑल दिस आर दी इसको भी आप देख सकते हैं शॉर्ट में वन और टू लाइंस यू शुड बी एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट राइट कि क्या होता है एग्जैक्टली 1 to 2 लाइन डेफिनेशन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर वाईफाई यू ऑलरेडी नो बस आपको वर्ड्स यू शुड बी एबल टू राइट इन योर वन वर्ड्स राइट नाउ डाटा ट्रांसफर ऑन इंटरनेट कैसे डाटा ट्रांसफर होता है पैकेट्स के फॉर्म में हेडर वो सब पैकेट्स के फॉर्म में डिवाइड होके जाते हैं वॉट एवर डाटा यू सेंड टू यूजिंग द ईमेल और कोई वेबसाइट से आप डाटा एक्सेस करते हैं दैट इज एक्सेस्ड दैट इज ट्रांसफर्ड वाया इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ पैकेट्स राइट और उसमें एक हेडर अटैच होता है और एक डेस्टिनेशन लिखा होता है डेस्टिनेशन एड्रेस वो पैकेट्स के फॉर्म में टूट के जाते हैं और वहाँ पे रीअसेंबल हो जाते हैं असेंबल हो जाते हैं गेटिंग some of the common questions that help you what is the purpose of getting this connection all this you can see right there's not any difficult in this I don't think that you will face any difficulty just read this you will automatically understand each and everything and if any doubt is there then you can ask me right so and after completing reading the exercise and pointing out the uh, this keywords and understanding it clearing that and if you are able to understand each and every terminology of this chapter then you can attempt exercise right and you can easily attempt it right what is LAN what is the full form of LAN what is the full form of ISP LAN man WAN what is the full form of all this wired connectivity में अभी just we saw the connections right wireless में Wi-Fi all these are comes under Wi-Fi wireless connectivity so all these things this question and answers also you can easily what is networking advantages of networking difference between LAN and MAN and what is the different types of networking so this you can easily attempt right if you, once you will you understand the chapter in the same way introduction to instant messaging this is a practical kind of concept what is instant messaging instant messaging में क्या क्या होता है भैया instant messaging means Google Talk is a software ये वेब एप्लीकेशन भी होते हैं और एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड भी होते हैं अगर आप इंस्टॉल कर देते हैं तो दैट इज ऑफलाइन एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड और वेबसाइट में खोलते हैं दैट इज वेब एप्लीकेशन राइट इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग सॉफ्टवेयर्स ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर्स जिसके थ्रू आप क्या कर सकते हैं आप ऑडियो चैट वीडियो कॉल या वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग और शेयरिंग ऑफ द डाटाज है ना चैटिंग ऑल दिस आर पॉसिबल गेटिंग और रियल टाइम पे भी चैटिंग कर सकते हैं गेटिंग दिस इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग दैट्स वाई वी कॉल इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग WhatsApp is also a kind of that but it is mainly mobile based right so try to answer the computer based softwares like Google Talk and all right की फीचर्स उसमें क्या क्या फीचर्स होते हैं टेक्स्ट मैसेज ऑडियो कॉलिंग वीडियो कॉलिंग बस आप इसमें आप नोट्स बनाएंगे तो हाउ यू कैन मेक फीचर ऑफ इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग देन इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट यू कैन राइट ऑडियो कॉलिंग वीडियो कॉलिंग फाइल ट्रांसफर टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस राइट दिस इज द इजी वे टू रिकॉल इट रिवाइज इट इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग अकाउंट ये तो आपको पॉइंट टू पॉइंट सो दिस आर दी what facilities are available in the instant messaging softwares right so offline application based web based you understood all these things right this is you can see instant messaging services application based here it is mentioned application based and here you can see web based different softwares are also given right here only five options are given five softwares name of five softwares are has given but there are many others right many more lot of number of websites are there and number of softwares are there but this is the common examples are given understood now next creating an instant messaging accounts so this you have to remember using any stepwise things you have to just remember it using by creating a flow chart right flow diagram you can create and using that under which option what all things you have to fill what all things you have to create like this is the stepwise like this you can create of your own right to remember the things for other tasks also for other creation of account this is to start Google Talk right for creation of account you can create like this flow chart or like a symbolic way to remember the concepts right because sentence wise it is very difficult to recall it or remember it getting so it will be easy for you launching Google Talk and all signing in Google Talk steps you must know if you will click on this you will get this option so After reading this chapter, you will be able to attempt this exercise only. You have to read the chapter thoroughly, right? This 25 application-based instant messaging software. What do you mean by instant messaging software? This is very simple. Now, what chatting with a Google Talk, this is completely practical based. If you will do the practical of this at your home, if you have a system, just do it, right? It will be very easy. I have shown you each and everything on the, my desktop, my laptop. I have shown everything to you. So it will be very easy. So this is also step by step. So you can create using a flow chart, right? This step is things you have to recall it or remember it using the flow chart only. Getting? These all things, the whole chapter will become, of a, not even a single page if you created, uh, you know, a flow chart of this point wise. Now, three rules and etiquettes to be followed while chatting. This you can answer of your own, right? Basic needs to use instant messaging software. This is also very easy. Creating and publishing web page. What is blog? है ना? How to create a web page step by step. What do you mean by creating? What do you mean by publishing? What is blog? All these things, all these websites which are available to create a blog or website, right? Creating a blog, this is again a step-wise question. Creating a blog, under which option? Open a browser. So like you can write browser, then under browser you can write in which option you have to in address bar you write this, then here you can write the address, right, of the website. Then here uh, create an account or sign up option. Then here like this you can make flowchart of your own or the symbolic diagram of your own to remember the things, right? This is the exact way to study, राइट ये जितना भी चीज़ें लिखा है दिस इज़ वेरी यू कैन मिनिमाइज इट एंड मेक इट मेरे ख्याल से 2 पेज से ज़्यादा नहीं है जो S2 से S7 सेशन 2 से सेशन 7 ऑफ यूनिट दिस 2 पेज से ज़्यादा है ही नहीं। जो कंटेंट है वो नेटवर्किंग चैप्टर में है और थोड़ा सा ट्रांजैक्शन चैप्टर में है S2 और S7 में। बाकी बीच में तो जो है गूगल टॉक ब्लॉग ये सब तो अगर आप फ्लो चार्ट में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे तो इट विल बिकम वेरी स्मॉल राइट। न्यू पोस्ट मीन्स व्हाट? पोस्ट मीन्स कोई भी चीज़ें हम पोस्ट करते हैं, दैट इज़ द पोस्ट। हम वेबसाइट में कोई ये पोस्ट करते हैं। गेटिंग? टाइटल क्या होता है, पब्लिश करना क्या होता है। तो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर व्हाट इज ब्राउजर। सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, रीड द चैप्टर एंड point out the keywords, and if you are understanding the keywords then it will be very easy for you to understand the complete chapter, right? Website name, email ID. Getting? So how to create WordPress क्या होता है? It is a kind of website in which you can create your own website or blog, right? ऑफलाइन ब्लॉग एडिटर्स क्या होता है? अभी जो आपने ब्लॉग बनाना देखा यूजिंग द वेबसाइट्स, इन द सेम वे ऑफलाइन सॉफ्टवेयर आर ऑल्सो देयर विद द हेल्प ऑफ यू विच यू कैन क्रिएट ब्लॉग्स, राइट? you these are the name of that websites, that application softwares, right? Getting? So this is the way to create to prepare for an exam, right? ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शंस क्या होता है ये तो आपने देखा ही है। कौन कौन से आप करते भी हैं, ईबे से, अमेजन से, ऑल दिस आर व्हाट साइट्स और शॉपिंग वेबसाइट्स थ्रू विच यू कैन परचेज ऑनलाइन, राइट? आप डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड, इंटरनेट बैंकिंग से पेमेंट कर देते हैं, आपके घर में प्रोडक्ट की डिलीवरी हो जाती है। ऑल दिस आर व्हाट IRCTC में आप टिकट बुक करते हैं, फ्लिपकार्ट से आप बुक्स या कोई क्लोथ्स परचेज करते हैं, रेड बस से आप बस टिकट बुक करते हैं। ऑल दिस आर व्हाट? तो ये व्हाट इज़ द प्रोसीजर, कैसे आप परचेज करते हैं, किस ऑप्शन में जाना है। फॉर दिस यू हैव टू क्रिएट फ्लो चार्ट, राइट? तो आपको इतना पढ़ना ही नहीं पड़ेगा। गेटिंग? अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज द सो आई थिंक वी हैव आई हैव now it's enough for you to how to prepare for the exam, right? So in this way, not only for this our revision assessment, for any exam you have to prepare like this only. And after reading this chapter and pointing out the keywords and understanding the chapter thoroughly and preparing your own notes, you will be able to attempt the questions very easily. कहीं से भी कुछ भी पूछ दे, you will be able to attempt it, right? Getting? So that's it for today. Prepare well Good luck. Thank you.